Molyneux here with Bill's History and Wargame World. Well, you've seen a couple videos, or several, of Braddock's Battlefield History Center. Well, now we're moving to some miniature wargaming stuff, and what we're doing is roads. Roads. Many people ask, how do you make the roads? Well, the Gettysburg area gamers, we used to spend 1 or 2 times a year doing nothing but roads. So, let's see what we have in the way of roads. How do you make these roads, you ask? Alright, well, you need some brown paint. You need silicone, all-purpose silicone. Very simple. Putty knife. An old paintbrush. You're going to paint this. And simple felt. A little flocking if you want to give your road some greenish tint to it. So I'm going to do my best to show you how to make a road really easy. And doing this on the camera. So I have my old road here, and I just place it like that. So take my scissors, voila, and so I'm just cutting. Now, let's say you have... Well, as I continue with my roads, cutting out the felt here. And hopefully I got this where you can see it pretty good. Now, if you need to do 15mm roads, even 6mm roads, you just cut your felt smaller widths. So there we go. What do you think? All right, so we have now, take our silicone gun, and I'm going to pause the camera and we'll prepare to run some silicone on it. All right, welcome back. So I have my silicone, and as you see, there we go. Now I want to make sure I have this in the camera. All right, I take my putty knife, and we will putty knife the silicone. So, something I forgot to mention is gloves. Now, I haven't made roads with the Gettysburg area gamers in close to a decade. What do you think of that? Our group used to make hills and roads. So now that I got my gloves on, so I'm now putting my and of course don't have enough silicone on the first time around. There we go. Move this up a little bit. There, much better. All right, let's try this some more. I don't know how this video's turning out. So here I have my silicone on here, and I just run 2 lines through it like that, and see how I'm doing for. Take a little bit of brown paint like that, and what do you think? So we flop it over here, and again, if you want these lines in good, so that's 1 silicone road. Let's see how that looks on the camera. Okay, so let's try it again, and I'm out of practice. Let's see how I have it for the camera. There we go. And I set that to the side. Let's see how we're looking for camera-wise. And so the whole idea there. Then I take our paint again. There we go. What do you think? Take my trusty putty knife, run a line. Now these represent maybe my wagons going through here. So, all right, let's do one more. Let's see if the camera will see this one. Yep. So we're doing the old silicone. Boy, it brings back memories. Yeah, I'm sure you have memories of things you've done with your wargaming group too. So, and there we go. The gloves are sort of important, by the way. Everything becomes a bit sticky. Take our brown paint, our brush, now if you wanted winter roads, you would just simply use white paint. Now, one of the guys in the group took plastic treads from a model kit and made tank tracks through the roads. So that's that is really how you make roads. I haven't made these in over a decade. We used to sell them at the flea market at wargaming events all the time. Brought back memories. I hope you enjoy this. Really easy. Felt and some silicone, brown paint, white paint, and if you want, you can just do a whoops. Well, I got a little carried away with the flocking, but you can always throw a little flocking out there. So, I messed up a little too much flocking. Oh well. It's not the end of the world. So, for all things considered, there we go. Alright, I fixed my overflocking. This is sort of fun. Going back to the old days. Well, I guess that's it for now. John and several other people, I hope you enjoy this video of how to make roads. Don't forget, you just need the silicone. That's the main thing. And everything here can be purchased at Walmart. Alright, and like always, stay safe, be kind, be courteous, make some roads, get off your couch. I'm going to probably use the rest of this felt and make a half a dozen more roads. I think you got the hang of it now. And yeah, I'm going to say 10-15 years ago, the Gettysburg area gamers, we would sell these at like $1 per 1 foot, and it used to pay for an awful lot for the wargaming group for the whole year. That's it for now. Stay safe, be kind, be courteous, and make some roads. Thank you for watching.